Welcome to Hi Channel. Today we walk into the quiet forests of Ontario, where spring reveals one of its most treasured gifts, wild leeks, Allium tricoccum. These delicate green leaves with their rich garlic scent emerge for only a short time each year, a fleeting moment between winter and summer. For generations, wild leeks, also known as ramps, have been foraged as a seasonal delicacy. But beneath their beauty lies a fragile truth. They grow slowly, they take years to recover, and once over-harvested, they may never return. And sometimes, not everyone knows the rules, or worse, chooses to ignore them. In Ontario, foraging wild leeks is strictly regulated. It is illegal to harvest them in protected areas like provincial parks, national parks, most conservation areas, and city parks. Removing plants from these ecosystems damages habitats that are meant to be preserved for everyone. As hikers, as visitors, as part of this environment, we have a responsibility. If you are foraging legally on private land with permission or permitted crown land, follow these simple guidelines. Take only leaves and leave the bulb in the soil. Harvest no more than a small portion, so the forest can continue to thrive. Wild leeks are not just food, they are part of a system that depends on patience, balance, and respect. So next time you step into the forest, remember, we are not just here to take, we are here to protect what makes these moments possible. Thank you for watching Hi Channel. If you value nature, conservation, and responsible exploration, stay with us for more journeys into the wild.